I want to present about my energy audit report with my group member, which is Ilhamis, Daniel Firdaus, Rishiban, Aziz, and my name is Irfan Daniel. So let's go to the introduction, and I will pass to my member, Daniel Firdaus.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have been choosing Surah Al-Iman as our energy audit place. And the owners of Surah Al-Iman is Adnan bin Isa. And Surah Al-Iman is located at Jalan BKI 9, Taman Bukit Kata Indah at Melaka, and it's constructed in 2017. And the tariff that have been using is tariff B, which is low voltage commercial. And then it's covered gross area, which is 358.02 m squared. And then for the electrical profiling, the maximum energy consumption for March 2024, which is 1,616.513. And then minimum energy consumption for May 2024 is 855.438. And then maximum energy cost that have been calculated is 808.01. And the minimum energy cost is 420 ringgit 0.62 cents. And then I will give energy usage for Ilhamis.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, for annual year energy usage, we can see starting from 21 June 2023 until 21 May 2024. As you can see, we can get the maximum energy usage, which is in 21 March 2024. Maybe this is because of Ramadan and Hari Raya. Okay, for minimum, we can see 21 May 2024, which is 155.438 kilowatt hour. And next. Okay, for
Ringgit.
And for annual year energy usage in ringgit Malaysia, the highest is 31 March 2024 also, and the value is 808 ringgit Malaysia, and for the lowest is 432 ringgit, which is in 21 May 2024. Yeah, we pass to Rishi.
Okay. I will present about the monthly energy usage in terms of kilowatts hour for the month of March 2024. So as we can see, the data starts from March 21st, 2024 up till April 20th, exactly 1 month. And here's the data for the energy consumption in terms of kilowatt hour. The peak and or the highest of the energy usage is at April 7, which is at 102 kilowatt hour, 0.05. And the lowest is on April 13, 2024, which is 20.777 kilowatt hour of energy consumption. The next slide, please. Okay, about this is for the month of the same duration also. But this is in terms of monthly energy cost, in terms of how much ringgit Malaysian. The highest is also the same, April 7, 2024, which is 44 ringgit 39 cent. And the lowest is also the same date because the lower kilowatt hour is more cheaper, higher kilowatt hour is more expensive. So the lowest is April 13, same date also, 9 ringgit cents. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, here we have the bar graph for daily energy usage in terms of kilowatt hour, also known as the daily load profile. So this is interval of 30 minutes on April 7th from 12 a.m. until 11:30 p.m. So here we have the highest load profile data is at April 7th, 9:30 p.m., which is 7.474. And there are so many lows, but the lowest is at 11 a.m. April 7th, which is 0.093 kilowatt hour. Next slide.
So for
I will pass
the
to Daniel Leslie. Oh, sorry, I will pass to my friend Haziq.
Okay, for the next one is appliances power consumption data. So for the indoor area, we got LED light, stand fan, ceiling fan, imam stand fan, television, air conditioner. There's a 4 type, and wind blower, 2 types, and speaker wall fan. And for outdoor, we got also fan and light and speaker. And for pantry, we got water dispenser, and for toilet, we have fluorescent light. So these are the power rating that we collected, and the quantity of each in each area. So for the next slide. For the next slide, appliance power consumption data. So in here we can see the voltage for fluorescent light is 30 watt, and the total energy consumption for monthly is 93.6. For LED light, we got 82.8. For aircon, we got 149.4 for Daikin aircon. For Panasonic, we got 121.2. For Exxon aircon, we got 220.8. For Electrolux, we got 143.28. And for ceiling fan, we got 156.75. Stand fan, we got 42.9. Imam stand fan, we got 10.08. OGB fan, we got 22.5. Wall fan, we got 79.5. Small wall fan, we got 6.75. Big wall fan, we got 22.05. And for speaker, we got 9. Television, we got 13.5. And then we got Poway water dispenser, which is 165.6. And the wind blower is 117.55 and 14.44. With total consumption for monthly is 1362.19. So these are the total consumption for this month. So for the next one, I'll continue with Daniel Leslie.
Okay, for room data survey analysis, we can see inside surau we get the illuminance which is large. The average is 310. For outside is 364.33, and for pantry is 216.67, and toilet is 205. Okay, look at for the deviation, and there are 2 overlead, which is in the outside surau plus 64.33, and in toilet plus 405. And we look at for the small table in a within range plus minus 30%. Number of hole is 3 and the percentage is 60. And for overlead range, number of area is 2 and percentage is 40%. And underneath you get zero of all area, and of course 0%. So the total area is 5 and the total percentage is 100. Can we pass to Irfan Dina?
Okay, okay, we can see at the pie chart we have a peak 5 loads which is the highest daily energy consumption of the Surah Al-Iman. So for the most energy consumption is the accent air condition, which is 2.5 horsepower, which is consumed the 7.36 kilowatt hour per day, and approximately percentage 26.42%, and it's the highest energy loads for the all for the rather than other appliance. So, and the secondly is the four-way water dispenser. Total power consumption is 5.52, and the percentage we got is 19.81. And the third highest energy load is the KDK ceiling fans, which is utilized approximately 5.225 kilowatt per day and account for 18.75% of total energy of heaviest load. So fourthly, the appliance with the highest energy consumption is the Daikin air condition, which is the 2.0 horsepower. So, and which is consume only 4.98 kilowatt per day and percentage 70.87. And also the number 5 is a Electrolux air conditioner, which is this is actually zero maps, and we got the total power consumption 4.776 for a day. So we got the percentage is 17.14. So the total we can see from the highest demand we for per day we got a 27.861. Okay. Okay, so next move to the next slide. Okay, I pass to the 10.
For the no cost is the same. For the method one, I'm using reduce the air conditioner usage and preventing air leakage, which is Surah Al-Iman utilize 6 air conditioner indoor and have a different type of air conditioner, which is Daikin air conditioner, 2 Panasonic air conditioner, 2 external air conditioner, and Electrolux air conditioner. From the load questioning, you can see that air conditioner use 73.43% of Surah Al-Iman energy consumption. And also from the interview with the secretary of Surah Al-Iman, they had used all the air conditioner for Fajar, Maghrib, and Isha prayer time, estimated to 2 hours of consumption. And then for Asar and Zohor prayer time, they will only use 2 or 3 air conditioner, estimated of 1 hour's consumption, depends on availability of women ratchets. And then the thermostat setting that has been used for air conditioner is 22 degrees Celsius. But when room data survey has been conducted at Isha prayer time, the measured temperature is 23.5 degrees Celsius. So from there, a proposal of potential saving has been put to manage the energy consumption in the prayer hall. Okay. What I want to do is reducing the air conditioner usage by use only 4 air conditioner during Fajar, Maghrib, and Isha prayer time, because occupancy when that time is not heavy, which is I calculate is about only 30%. And then the 2 air conditioner that has not been used is one at the back and one at the middle, which is not so necessary. And then turn next is turn to air conditioner and set thermostat to higher temperature 30 minutes before prayer time and during prayer time. Turn on another 2 air conditioner which use thermostat setting, which is 22 degrees Celsius. So maybe additionally I will add which is employ a natural ventilation when outdoor conditions are favorable, like Maghrib and Isha, because that time is quite cold for the outside temperature. Is because we can reduce the reliance on the air conditioning system. Okay, and then for the preventing leakage, we can ensure the doors and windows remain closed when the air conditioner is running. Okay, next.
Okay, so for the second method of energy saving measure under no cost is to turn off lights when unnecessary and delamping. Okay, it's the two categories. So firstly is practicing to turn off the lights when not in use. I have chose pantry and toilet area because in Surau Aliman, like the Surau is the main place. So we have calculated the hours of usage of the whole entire premise, which is 4 hours. But in these 4 hours, the surau will be actually using all of its appliances, like its lighting, aircon, cooling system, everything for that full 4 hours. However, pantry and toilet is not always being used. So that's why I propose of turning off the lights in pantry and toilet when not using. So according to my calculation, estimation and calculation, the pantry and toilet is only used half of the time, which is usage time is 4 hours. So half of the time meaning 2 hours plus minus. Yes. Okay. So next is delamping. Delamping is the process of taking out certain bulbs at a certain area so that the area is less lit. So the area we choose to delamp has to be an area which is overlit. It cannot be an area which is underlit or within range, because that will only make the whole area much more dimmer, and that will defeat the purpose. So the area I choose to delamp the light bulbs is outdoor and also the toilet. This can be seen in the slide previously. Then previous slide, all the way to here. Okay, so as we can see the room data analysis, we can see the deviation of the lux level is all within range except for outside surround and toilet. This is overlaid. According to MS 1525 standard, outside surround is 150 to 300. But in this case, the average illuminance we got from 3 readings is 364.33, which is overlaid. And similar to toilet, the overlaid is up to 105 illuminance level. Back to the slide. So that's why I chose to delamp outside and the toilet area. Thank you.
Okay, for the median cost measure, so the first method, we replace fluorescent lamp with LED lamp. It's because we changing the fluorescent light into LED light can be an effective energy strategy to reduce the energy consumption and also improve the efficiency in the lighting system. As you can see, the Surah got 36 fluorescent lamp in the outside, so we change that to LED, so it will be safe the electric users. And for method 2,
Okay, for method 3, we will installing the programmable thermostat for 0 max air conditioner. We have a three air conditioner, which is now have a programmable thermostat. So we need to install that so we can manage and we can set a schedule based on the data surround by operating hour and occupancy pattern. So from what I research, we can save 10% from month energy consumption if we use the programmable thermostat, because we can set the time or we can control the temperature. So by using this, we can reduce the energy consumption, but it will take a long time to get a simple payback period. Okay. Okay, next.
Okay, for high cost ESM, so there's a 3 type which we can edit through this high cost. First is using 5-star appliances. Second one is using a solar panel, and for the third one is rewiring. So the easiest method is I'm choosing is 5-star rating because the bill are not exceeding than 1K. Although it's cheap, but it still can save much few bucks for the electrical bill. So I'm suggesting the Surau to change their air conditioner to a 5-star rating because the Surau is currently using air conditioner with 2 horsepower with 3-star energy consumption and another 3 air conditioner with 0-star rating. So by changing it to 5-star rating, inverter air conditioner offer better energy saving compared to non-inverter unit. This is due to adjust the compressor speed to maintain consistent cooling, unlike the non-inverter air conditioner which operate at single speed and only can be maintained desired temperature when switch on and switch off. So by replacing this 5-star rating air conditioner, we can save energy at almost 1784.16 kilowatt hour and reduce around 64% from a previous energy consumption. So in result, we can save up to 914 ringgit in a year, which we this kind of investment to changing 5-star rating air conditioner, the costing of the air conditioner is only about 4,280 ringgit, which we can get it back under 5 years of implementation in this high cost ES. So for the next one is
So from the conclusion of the energy audit is we can review the energy profile and trends by remedial energy conservation measure effectively, and we can investing the modern energy efficient technology to optimize the energy by using the technology, and it will be can reduce the wastage energy consumption in Surau. So by conducting the energy audit for this Surau in Malaysia can promote the efficient energy, and we also can get the economic benefits. So like we can see my member present about their ECM, energy conservation measure for no cost and medium and high cost. So okay, let's go to the next slide. So from what I can see, for the low cost, you can see ECM1 we got a saving for 23.05% because our conservation we save by using the conditioner. So if we smart to manage the energy consumption by using aircon, we actually can get a big saving. And for SAM2, you can see it just got only save 16.70% only because by saving using delamping the lamp or saving by not use all the lamp. And by ACM3 and ACM4, we can see when we using a medium cost, we need to have we will have the payback period, but our payback period if we will not take too long because we just using a cost not too high. So our payback period will take time 1 year or 2 year. If long, maybe 3 years because based on the how much percentage you can saving to get your back simple payback. So for high cost, you can see their payback is need to take a 5 to 6 months because they use the higher cost like implement solar, change the techno by using maps. Okay.
Okay, so here we have arrived to the Surah Al-Iman. This is the outside, and this is the also outside. Here we are calculating how big is the space, how many feet and how many meters. You can see, there's me. Here we can see we are calculating how much power rating for each of the appliances, and we can see we're using the socket meter to measure each of the socket power rating. Right there, you can see 5.25 watts. That is for the fan, if I'm not mistaken. Here we can see how much amperes also they shows how much current. There's Daniel Leslie. Yes, next we have Ilhamis, who is taking down notes. And I was recording. Muhammad Haziq and Irfan Daniel was checking the aircon and the blowers as well. Because that one, we can't use the socket meter, we have to see the rating. We are using the socket meter here. So we plug it in, and then you plug the plug, and then you turn on. There's 15 watts. Here, we are checking the illuminance level, the lux level. Here we're checking the power rating for the fan, stand fan. You can see the 11.55 watts. This is the interior of the surah. You can see we are taking down notes. This is us with the Funusi. That's all. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kan?